YouTube family, how are you today? Good to see you. Finally moving on up like the Jeffersons. Got over my "It Is What It Is" t-shirt today. And just stopping in for a few quick minutes to show you a seed haul. Yes. So I went to Walmart, and it was a Walmart on the better side of town, and took a look at their seeds. And they have 50-cent packs. Not sure if you knew that, but they have 50-cent seeds. So I got a lot more flowers to step up my flower game, make sure my yard is full of pollinators. So, and of course, these are 2022 seeds, and I will dump a whole pack in a pot and see what comes up. So they don't go far. It's not a lot in here, but it's enough. I mean, if you wanted to stretch them for 2 pots, you probably could. And these have a long germination too, 14 to 21 days. But I bought some verbena. They're 50 cents a pack. Verbenas, florist mixed colors. I bought some lake spurs, giant imperial mixed colors. I bought some Shirley poppies, and it's really feeling empty in here. Oh my goodness, it doesn't feel like anything's in here. That little bit of shake. Double mixed colors. And phlox. There a little bit. Beauty dwarf mixed colors. All of those were 50 cent Premium Select American Seed Company. They also have this color package in the American Seed Company, 50 cents. And this is Asters, Crago mixed colors. Asylums. Now, I was happy to find the pink because I have some white from Dollar Tree that are growing pretty good out there. So I'm excited to add this pink to my front yard and to my pollination. And we have dahlias. These are so beautiful. Mixed colors. And then I have never seen these as seeds before, but coleus. These will be pretty just to add some landscaping, but I would think that they 14 days germinating. They say sow seeds outdoors in the spring in a partial shade location in well-tilled soil. So I guess you direct sow them. I'll try them outside and see what happens. I was thinking you would start these, but you direct sow. So we'll try them for 50 cents. Now here's the kicker. While we're running the Dollar Tree clearing them out on their 25-cent seeds, Walmart has 20-cent seeds, the same seeds, same amount of seeds in the package, 20 cents. So I picked up the staples just to have an extra stockpile of seeds. At 20 cents, keep a bunch of seeds on hand. And again, my seeds from 2012 are growing. I am going to do that update shortly, but they are growing. Now the ones from 2010, but I'll tell that in my update as to what I noticed and why they're actually growing. But we have California Wonders, same old Dollar Tree seeds. That's just the fact that they're 20 cents instead of 25. We've got the dark green zucchini, and this was a Friday's purchase, so hurry up and get in there. Lettuce. This is a Grand Rapids leaf lettuce. I got 2 packs of those. Well, actually, I got 3 packs of those. I don't know what I was thinking. Because I have trouble with lettuce growing. It's too hot here. I have pansies. Swiss Giants mix. Marigolds. Now, I don't know what's up with these things, so I'm going to go and watch a couple of YouTube videos on how to get these going. I have so many seeds, old, new, used, whatever. And I've been unable to grow them. So I'm going to see if I just need to take a little more time and do a little more research and figure this thing out. For one, for my zone, I should have planted them by February. So that's one thing that may be wrong. But I'm going to see if I can get them to grow indoors or something and then place them out. Because it cost that $1 a marigold, even at $1 a piece from Gore's, they still add up. It adds up and it can get costly. Then we have a cut flower wildflower mix. Now, the wildflower mix, I already have some out there. They're performing. I haven't seen a flower yet, but they're almost, about 7 inches tall already. And I just planted those less than a month ago. So I'm sure the flower show they're going to give me is going to be very beautiful. And then I have more cosmos. I have forget-me-nots. Now, I was going to put some of these down because I already had some. And I was going to put these in the pots that didn't grow the cilantro. So we're going to learn how to grow some cilantro together because I'm having trouble with growing cilantro. I dropped those seeds before I went on vacation. Nothing's in the pot. Nothing. So I'm going to figure out the cilantro too, and we're going to do it together. I have some petunias, mixed colors. Some hummingbird mix. All the mixes do real well, real easy, real well. And then I have regular straight 8 cucumbers. And it's enough seeds in here. And that was it. I just wanted to let you know that Walmart has been putting out the 20-cent seeds. So if you missed them at the Dollar Tree, you can go pick them up at the Walmart and be on the lookout for the 50-cent seeds. So also I'll do a garden update tomorrow and show you what I ordered from Amazon today because I found it real interesting, and we'll go ahead and look at that together and see what happens with them together. But I thought they were real interesting, and we're going to give them a try together. So ring that bell, subscribe to my channel, and we will do a whole lot of gardening and growing and trying and failing and learning together. Because if y'all work with me, if y'all really work with me here, I'm going to become a master gardener. But that's another video, and I'll tell you more about me, what's going on in my life, and then you'll see we'll talk about how I may become a master gardener. So, certified for my area, reach out to me, I help you, all of that good stuff. So, stay tuned, subscribe, ring that bell, comment down below, anything you want to see me do. I may try it. Just give me some suggestions down below. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Plant a seed. Try to plant a seed every day. Have a great day. Bye-bye.